Hello, educators! Welcome to this quick video showing you how to set automatic grading and benchmarks for your classes on typing.com. These features are part of your typing.com Plus subscription. Automatic grading and benchmarks help streamline your grading and give you more control over student progress. Automatic grading assigns letter grades, or 0 to 100-point values based on student performance in lessons and quizzes. Benchmarks let you set minimum accuracy and words per minute requirements, which ensures students hit your selected performance level before being allowed to proceed to the next lesson. You can set these up for entire classes or individual students. Let's see these features in action. First, an assignment with automatic grading. Notice the grade. It's assigned automatically based on the student's accuracy and speed. Next, a lesson with benchmark set. Uh-oh. This student didn't reach the required accuracy, so they have to retry that screen. This can be helpful to ensure your students don't rush through the lessons, but rather take the time to type accurately. Now, let's set up these features for your classes. On the Classes page, click the class you'd like to work with. On the class dashboard, click the gear icon to open class settings, then select the Grading tab. Here you can control both automatic grading and benchmarks. First, let's look at grading. You can choose to assign either letter grades or numeric scores. Select your preferred grading style from the drop-down menu. For typing lessons, use the drop-down to choose whether to grade by accuracy or speed. Then, enter your perfect and lowest values for the selected metric. The table below will show you how these values translate into the grades you've chosen. You'll also notice you have the option to exclude certain grades. For example, you may not want to assign an F for low accuracy, but rather have that score receive a D-. Simply click the red X next to any grade you'd like to exclude, and the distribution adjusts accordingly. For digital literacy lessons, some typing.com Plus content like the lessons on digital citizenship include question and answer exercises graded by quiz score. Just like with typing lessons, set your perfect and lowest percentage scores for the grade range. Next, let's set up benchmarks. Screen completion requirements let you set minimum words per minute and accuracy levels for typing lessons. For example, you might set a high accuracy benchmark to ensure students master the home row before moving on. If a student doesn't meet these requirements, they'll have to redo the screen. This does not apply to timed tests or tech literacy lessons. Star requirements let you set minimum accuracy thresholds for earning 2 or 3 stars on typing lessons. Like screen completion, this only applies to regular lessons. When finished, click Save All Changes at the top right. You can also customize these settings for individual students in their student settings. That's how to set up automatic grading and benchmarks. To learn more about typing.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.